Happy Monday, everybody. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. I just want to start by saying thank you very much to everybody who took the time to help me by answering the survey about your study methodology and what are some of the challenges that you've experienced and what are some of the successes that you have had with your methodology. I sincerely believe that it's going to go a long way in helping to produce a course that is well-rounded for the benefit of the students. So thank you so much. So I also wanted to let you know that I would like to create some structure for this particular page so that you know what you can expect on a particular day. So I am introducing Grammar Monday. So every Monday I'll be posting something relevant to do with grammar to either help you review or teach you something new. Then on Wednesday, I will have what I'll call Random Wednesday. This is where I teach you something random about the Swahili language. For instance, why do we say time the way we do? Or whatever interesting thought comes to my mind that week. And then we're going to have Review Friday, where we go over the different grammatical concepts, and just like in the form of the video that I posted last week. So I'm really excited to start doing this so that I can provide structure and also so that you can know what to expect. So this week, in this video, I will be doing a Grammar Monday type of situation. So I hope you find some value in the next section. Have a wonderful week, and I will talk to you again on Wednesday. So in this section, I will be talking about objects for noun classes 3 to 4. We already did objects for the first, second, third person in both singular and plural form. If you have forgotten what those are, please feel free to go over the videos that I've posted in the past. Just go to my profile and you will find the videos that I'm talking about. So in this case though, we will start our discussion with noun class 3. Before we proceed, I would like to just go over briefly what the object is. So as you can see in this particular slide, we have S for subject, that is the actor in this particular sentence. T for tense, that is when the action took place. And then O for object, that is the thing that the action took place on. And then there's the verb and verb extension, but no need to worry about the extensions today. So it is the O section that we're going to be highlighting in today's video. So let us begin by looking at an example in English so that we can identify what this object looks like. So in a sentence like Mary broke the chair, what do you think is the object? Well, if you said chair, you're correct. The chair is the object upon which the action took place. In this case, Mary is the subject or the main actor, and then broke is the verb. Now let us see how that sentence would look like in Swahili. So the sentence would read as Maria alikivunja kiti. As we know, kiti is the object, chair. So you'll notice I have a ki in the middle of the verb. I don't know if you remember this, but I said some Swahili verbs, once they're conjugated, they can actually form a complete thought. Alikivunja, she broke. So in this video, I will teach you how to be able to write the correct object for a verb according to its noun class. But Kitty belongs to the Kiwi class, so don't worry about it. I was just using it as an example. In today's video, I will only be doing the noun class 3 and 4 so that you're able to know how to indicate an object correctly for these two noun classes. So I would like to actually teach you a ninja trick. So all this time we have been talking about noun classes and their demonstratives, but what most people don't know is that demonstratives themselves carry clues on how to remember a lot of these things. So for instance, you've noticed I've written in class 3, the first demonstrative, that is this, is who. And for class 4, the first demonstrative is he. So what does this have to do with anything? I will show you very soon. Say you come across a word that you definitely know it belongs to class 3 or class 4. You know your demonstratives, but you have no idea what the object for this noun class would be. You simply take the demonstrative, split it into 2, and take the last syllable. That is going to be your object. Again, you simply take the demonstrative, split it into 2 syllables, and the last syllable is going to be your object. So in this case, we have who. I split it into 2, and the u is your demonstrative, it's your object. And for noun class 4, I took the he, split it into 2, and the e is going to be your object. It's really that simple. So let us see how this looks in real life. Let's use an example like he cut the tree. In this case, the object is very clear, that is the tree. Now, how do you indicate that in Swahili? We all know the verb for cut in Swahili is kata. I mean, if you knew it, great. If you didn't, that's still okay. So we know that the subject is he. So from our previous lessons, it's going to be a. Now, how do we indicate mti? From the last slide, we said we simply split who into 2, and we are left with u. So it's going to be alikata mti. He cut the tree. Get it? And just like that, you show the object in a Swahili verb. Let us try it again. This time we're going to use the plural form of mti, miti, which is in class 3. How will we say he cut the trees? Again, remember, the aim here is to show the object in the sentence. So once again, to review, we're taking the first demonstrative for noun class 4, which is he. We split it into 2, and we get 2 syllables. We take the last syllable, and that is going to be the object for all nouns in noun class 4. So let us put it to use in a sentence. He cut trees. He cut the trees. So once again, we'll go with a for the subject, he, li for the tense, past tense, and then the object is e, as we saw from the previous slide. And then we attach the verb kata. So it is alikata miti. Simple enough, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you 2 English sentences that have nouns from noun classes 3. I will ask you to give me the Swahili versions. So I'm interested to see how you do. If you can post your answers down in the comments, that will be great. And your sentences are, he is crossing the river, and the verb for crossing is vuka. And your second sentence is, he crossed the rivers. So they're pretty much the same sentence, except I've changed the noun class from singular to plural, and I've also changed the tense. So I am very excited to see how you do in the comments. No cheating. Congratulations on getting through that section. I am excited to see what your comments are going to be like. It's okay if you don't get it right the first time. That means you just have to try again until you get it. So I am definitely looking forward to doing these videos on a weekly basis. so that I can continue to add value to your journey on of learning Swahili. So let us see what Wednesday brings, and I'm certainly looking forward to reviewing all the fun stuff on Friday.